three batsmen as I have seen. And I have been looking on the performance between both the batsmen. Now the scoreboard has shown the number of runs, which is
अच्छा
8
बॉलिंग करता है।
on no loss. Now again the new bowler.
तो मस्ती लाइव।
Now Ashish is coming to ball. He missed the ball. The decision was taken by the umpire. The decision was white ball. I think bowler should think over their idea of bowling. I think the speed of ball doesn't matter. You should always think about the spin and the quality of bowling, swing, and so on. By dint of all these things, a bowler can be proved more lethal to the batsman. They're trying to be lethal to the batsman. Let him come now. Now he's coming with slow and steady feet. Now it's good ball. No run has been taken by the batsman right now. It may be proved more. Again, white ball has been taken. The decision has been given by the umpire. White ball. They are repeating the mistake again and again. Again and again, it's not good for back bowler as well as for the fielders also, because now again the bowler is coming. Now great ball, and about is the ball, and now made 4 runs. Oh, what a ball. I thought that it could be wide, but no. He protected himself from the decision of umpire and decided to do the things in proper way. Now again, bowler is coming. Oh, what a fantastic golden shot played by the batsman of the team. What a great coordination and cooperation between both the batsmen on the crease. They are really trying to do the best for their entire team. And slowly and gradually they are adding more and more runs to the scoreboard for their team. Again, side has been changed by the bowler and he is coming to ball to Sahil. Oh, again, what a beautiful Yorker ball. What a good coordination. He tried to astonish the batsman by throwing a Yorker ball, but batsman was really matured and he was trying to escape himself from that one. Now a new bowler is coming to ball. Satyam. I think both are brothers, as I have been informed by the spectators. One is bowling, one is going to ball, and another is going to bat. Is coming. Now no ball. Decision has been taken by the umpire. Again, he is coming from the non-striker, but stopped himself.
एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, एक्स्ट्रा नहीं।
Now again, oh, he should catch the ball, but now the decision has been taken by umpire, which is no ball, which can be more drastic for the bowler also. He is trying to speed up the ball. Now bowler is coming to ball to batsman Sahil. It may be more than, oh, again, what a nice play, and he took 3 runs and added 4 runs to the score. It's really a commendable shot. I could never think that he could play the shot in this way. Now again he started to take running, and oh, what a nice ball. What a nice ball by by Sahil's brother, who is coming from the pavilion end. Well, I have told several times to the bowler they should not try to dominate the situation. They should not try to make pressure by increasing their speed in bowling. Line and length, both are very important things. He has been doing well. He is left-handed batsman and he is trying to add run to the scoreboard of his team. The spectators are entertaining the moment of the battle between bowler and batsman on the crease. Oh, amazing! He was very well shot and he has he missed the fielder could not protect the ball from crossing the boundary line and he took 4 runs and added 4 runs to the scoreboard of his team. It's really a fantastic moment of the game. Now he missed the ball.
When good ball will come, encourage the bowler.
Now again, ball is coming in. Oh, what a nice ball. He was trying to defend himself from the bowling. The ball. He takes the ease of the bat. 9. Since the is performing very well, and he's trying to meet the expectation of the spectators who are gazing upon the match from the gallery and pavilion also. Now the bowler is coming gradually toward the batsman. Oh, again, he bowled very well. He missed the ball and could not make the run. "36 runs have been made by the batsman at the end of 2 overs without any loss. They are performing beyond of expectation. They are looking like a little champ, but trying to dominate the situation by their performance. Again, a new ball is coming to ball. Oh, now goes the ball and took run. Again, he added 1 run to the scoreboard of his team. Now Sahil has come. We are waiting for his best performance on the crease of this match. Batsman is looking like more conscious and serious toward bowler. Oh, again, he could not touch the ball, but his shirt touched the ball. Now again, bowler is coming to ball to Sahil. Now there seems to be something
On gun, sir.
contradiction
Look on
between
foot in on mobile.
wicket keeper bowler. Now bowler is coming to ball to Sahil. Again. What happened between both the batsmen? They could not touch each other. It could be more dangerous for non-striker batsmen. Now a bowler is coming to ball. Batsman is not satisfied with the decision of umpire.
Catch. Oh.
Bowling team is trying to make pressure on batsman. May I have your attention, please? I would like to request to both students, especially to the student of class 9, if you want to talk and say something about the ongoing match, then please come to the commentary box and speak something from. Aditi, Shruti, and Preeti of class 9. Please come to the commentary box. We are waiting for you. Jawahar sir is requested to send them to commentary box. Preeti,
कहाँ जाना है सर?
Hey, everyone recorded here.
Big maybe group. More drastic loss for the team of Sahil. When Sahil came to the crease to play his game with lot of hopes, but he could not stay. I think cricket is the game of uncertainty, so we should never think negative about any aspect, any team of the ongoing match.